Every year on November 20, the world comes together to celebrate World Children's Day. Originally established in 1954 as Universal Children's Day, this day is dedicated to promoting global unity, raising awareness about children's issues, and improving their welfare worldwide. This day is significant not only for celebration but also for history. On November 20, 1959, the UN General Assembly adopted the Declaration of the Rights of the Child. Then, in 1989, the Convention on the Rights of the Child was also adopted on the same day, marking a major milestone in protecting children's rights. Since 1990, World Children's Day has symbolized the anniversary of both these important events. Each year, the theme invites us to reflect on the state of children around the globe. For 2024, the theme is Listen to the Future, a powerful call to listen to the voice of children, understanding their hopes and dreams, and championing their right to participate in shaping the future.
కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కు ఉపయోగపడే ఇలాంటి జీకే కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు తెలుసుకునేందుకు మీ ఫోన్లో డైలీ బైట్స్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ యాప్ను డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ పోటీ ప్రపంచంలో నిరంతర అప్డేట్గా ఉండండి.